Garbage, trash, junk. Can you imagine that this is all created by the trash of the oceans? This is the reason for the extinction of thousands of animals every year. The catastrophe caused by us. But we don't want to ignore this problem anymore. We want to use the garbage for something new, something sustainable, something good. We want to use the collected trash and chop it into a 100% recycled and clean powder. The fine powder is now ready to be used as our 3D printing material. Layer after layer, the printer connects the powder, bringing our vision to life. After many hours of printing, the magic is hidden underneath the unused powder. With the incredible designs of our international designers, we are the first enterprise to use 3D printing in sanitation. Finally, everything is possible. Whatever design you desire, we can now produce it. Vases, sinks, and the first ever 3D printed bathtub are only the beginning of our journey. There is no limit to your imagination. Together, we want to help clean our oceans. We can now stop the world from drowning in garbage. Only together, we can print our own world.
About 500 million to 1 billion tons of plastic is consumed globally each year. It is estimated worldwide that 1 trillion bags are used and discarded every year. More than 160 disposable water bottles are consumed by each individual, but only 38 are recycled. This figure drops in developing and underdeveloped countries. Only about 10% of the plastic consumed is recycled. Of the plastic that is simply trashed, an estimated 7 million tons ends up in the sea each year. There, it breaks down into smaller and smaller fragments over the years. Enough plastic is thrown away each year to circle the earth 4 times. Plastic bags tend to disrupt the environment in a serious way. They get into soil and slowly release toxic chemicals. Due to the pervasiveness of plastic products, most of the human population is constantly exposed to the chemical components of plastics. Exposure to these chemicals causes severe life-threatening diseases to humans such as cancer. Even animals and marine life is under constant threat. China Eco-Unified Private Limited is the first company to use CSIR National Physical Laboratories technology to recycle waste plastic to plastic tiles. This technology aims to offer a sustainable solution to the rising plastic waste hazard, which is eco-friendly, cost-effective, and durable. It takes only 15 minutes to process raw material after segregation into finished product, that is, plastic tiles. The plastic waste will be collected from households, rag pickers, and other establishments like NGOs, which are working towards waste management and moved to our power plant. We will primarily use high and low density polyethylene, polypropylene and polystyrene for recycling. These are commonly found in any form of plastic bags, food and consumer packaging bottles. At our production unit, most plastics are cleaned and sorted according to their polymer types and color. Then, the collected plastic waste will be shredded into small pieces. Flakes or chunks will be washed and passed through specialized equipment that will further separate the plastic resin by types, which are then dried with moderate heat. The dry flakes will be further melted down and molded into a new shape under regulated temperatures in specialized equipment. After the melting process, the plastic pieces are compressed into tiny pellets, making them ready for reuse or to be redesigned into new products. The ready plastic pellets will then be mixed with fillers, and using our technology, the mixture will be molded into tiles. The unique qualities of the tiles are that they are unbreakable, antibacterial, acid-proof, antimicrobial, corrosion-resistant, anti-static, heat-resistant, anti-skidding, and most interesting fact is these are renewable. These tiles can be used as roof tiles, floor tiles, pavement tiles, interlocking tiles, and wall tiles. While these plastic tiles are ready to use the moment they are manufactured, the cement tiles, on the other hand, need to be left for drying for 24 hours after processing in order to be used. The application of the recycled waste to plastic tiles is vast. These tiles can be used in building public toilets, shelter homes, and long-lasting pavements for social and economic benefits. We also have plans to use this technology for building road panels. These tiles have successfully passed flammability, water absorption, and mechanical strength tests. Help us make China eco-unified tiles a reality.
thousands of years, humans have been filling their notebooks and then just buying more.
It's like the notebook industry has given up on innovation.
Hey, what's this? The notebook Hemingway wrote on? That's cool, I guess.
We're from Rocketbook, and we make notebooks from the future.
At Rocketbook, we are already famous for inventing the Wave Notebook, the smart notebook that can be erased in the microwave. We've shipped 100,000 waves to satisfied customers around the world. Others may stop there, but we're maniacs obsessed with blending old-fashioned notebooks with future and awesome. So we've spent a year in the Rocket Lab designing a new notebook that feels like pen and paper, but is endlessly reusable and completely integrated with your digital lifestyle. Introducing the Everlast Notebook from Rocketbook. The Everlast brings cloud scalability to pen and paper. Simply write, scan, and erase. Imagine 1,000 of your favorite notebooks in one sleek design that fits in your backpack. Here's how it works. Everlast pages look and feel like paper, but they're actually constructed from a polyester composite rather than wood. You write on the Everlast using any pen from the Pilot Friction line, which are available in-store and online. Writing on the Everlast feels perfectly natural and smooth, and as the ink dries, it forms a complete bond to the polyester page, so it won't rub off. But what makes this formulation so unique is that each page can be wiped completely clean with a moist towel, so it can be used over and over and over again. The Everlast Notebook is also compatible with the Rocketbook app. So before you wipe your notes off the page, you can blast them online to your favorite cloud services. In a fraction of a second, Rocketbook Machine Vision scans, enhances, and sends each page to the specific destination they belong on the cloud services you already use. Each Everlast Notebook page has 7 symbols. Set up the Rocketbook app to assign each symbol to a location within Dropbox, Google Docs, Evernote, or many other services. You could configure your diamond to send meeting notes directly to your shared team folder in Dropbox. Or students could configure their star symbol to send notes right to a math folder in Google Drive. So you can make your list, break out that diagram, or color in that drawing. Then tomorrow, start your day with a brand new notebook. With the Everlast, one notebook becomes 1,000 notebooks. The utility of the cloud and the joy of pen and paper. That's Rocketbook.
The new year is coming. There are a lot we want to achieve, but how can we get more done? Introducing the New Planner, a reusable whiteboard planner book to help you get things done again and again. A new planner combines the best features of the infinitely erasable reusable whiteboard and the weekly, monthly, yearly schedule and goal-setting planner into a compact, handy, and portable book. All planners on the market are similar in layout and function, and they all use regular paper. If you use pencils, you leave dirty dark marks and a mess when erased. If you use ball pens or fountain pens, either you cross things out, leave ugly marks everywhere, or smear whiteout all over the old writings. Your important notes on the pages are chaotic, confusing. Either way, your planner pages could end up looking more hectic than your real life. That's why we created the A New Planner. All pages are treated with a special dry erasable, easy to wipe clean surface. Just like a whiteboard, you can effortlessly write, erase, redo, undo, and start anew. A clutter-free space allows you to have a clear, focused mind. From big picture goals to small, actionable tasks, from making big plans to managing small to-dos, a new planner keeps all that you should focus on in one place. The best part, you use less and waste less paper. When a new planner book is all you need. You also save money, because you may never need to buy another planner again. We're excited to see how you will use and reuse the new books to generate ideas after ideas and accomplish goals after goals, from inspiration to completion. Thank you so much for your support.